Wow, just as well, I haven't gone out of the house. My doctor rang. The phone rang and I picked it up. It is my doctor. And she said, I rang and rang and rang 10 times. So this time, apparently, she's been ringing in my mobile phone, on my mobile phone. But this time, she rang the home phone. And she said to me, you have no COVID. It says negative. They said, negative means no. And I told her, doctor, it's English. They said, your husband is Australian. Why didn't you ask your husband? My husband doesn't know too. That when you have a test and it says negative, it means you have a sickness. Well, now it's confirmed. I have no COVID after all. So I'm going to see her, continue the course of antibiotics because I still have a cough and a cold. No, I don't have COVID. It's English. It's a long list of negative, negative, negative underneath. Everything that was written, it is negative under it. That was horrible. I didn't go anywhere. I stayed home. Well, now I don't have to worry about anything. I am fine. You all have a great day, and remember, self-care is number one. Don't let yourself fall sick.